All Rudy. We're back. Hey man, this is this Thursday Chukka. Ash, the Scout, they call it. It's their version, I guess, of a Chukka. Suede. So here lately, man, I've been into these Suede. Let me tell you, this Thursday weather safe Suede shocked me. I'm a cigar guy, so sorry. This Thursday weather safe Suede shocked me. It's great. I'm a Midwest guy. Currently, right now, we got hit with like a little mini blizzard. It's probably got about 6 or 7 inches of snow here the other day, and I actually wore these. I said, okay, we're gonna see. And again, I'm not that guy. I don't walk in puddles and dog shit. That's not what I do. Okay, I like to look good, and I like my stuff to look good. I actually wore these on a snow day. Didn't have any issue, man. You can look at it and see it didn't really stain. Now, before I got them, now let's just say before I wore them, I sprayed some suede protector on it. And I don't wear a lot of jeans, so you're not going to see like a indigo stain or any kind of stain up around here. However, I do clean. Okay, I do clean them, and I'm just going to show you what I do to clean. So I have these little brushes here that I've always had. So with these Thursdays, man, I'll just take this and gently come like this on these. Uh, I'll do one way, then I'll go back the other. Some people say, you know, just go one way against the grain. I do both. Uh, that's just what I do. And let me tell you, man, it just, I'm just amazed because, I've had suede in the past, and if it gets wet, you're done. DONE, done. Okay. And whatever you paid, gone. They're just not recovering. Yeah, you can say, well, I'll take them to a cobbler and they'll, okay, yeah. Well, why go through all that? But this brush has a little rubber side too, and it has some brass in there and thin stuff. So what I'll do is I'll just do this. Look at how it was looking and look at it now. Okay. So I'll do that. The other cool thing about this brush, like I can get, if I want it, I can get right down in there like that. Or I can take a corner of it and just kind of get stuff out of there and then come back with it. Let me get in here so you can see. I keep shoe trees in my boots at all times. So I'll just get in there and get that welt and down in there good as well. But I just want to tell you, man, like, I don't have any staining on here. And again, every Saturday, I try to clean my boots pretty good. Now, I know I could take some black shoe polish and hit that real good. I really don't think I have to. So after I do that, I'll come back with this little brush like this, and I'll hit them. Man, look at that. Now I wore these. I was in the snow. Okay, snow. And look at that. They look brand new. Man, it's to the point now. I'm like, man, I need to go back on Thursday's site and order some more suede. Goodness gracious, man. Um, I didn't get that pretty good. So I just take this again, and I just give him one of those. Okay, I just give him one of those on the tongue. Look at that. You got to be kidding me. Suede? Suede. We talking about suede. out in the Midwest, 6 inches of snow, and then I come in here and I knock it out like that. That quick. That quick, man. You got to be kidding me. Thursday. I'm just going to say it how we say it. Y'all tripping. If you're a Suede guy and you like Suede, man, you have to get this. Okay? That's just that shoe, that quick. Hey, I didn't do a lot. Look at the heel. I think I did the heel. Getting too excited. Look at that. You gotta be kidding me, man. You mean to tell me I wore these in wetness? Cigar break. I went out. You mean to tell me I wore these in wetness and now they're what they are? Somebody told me they're making Suede jackets. I might have to try one of those if this weather's safe. I had a Suede jacket many, many moons ago, and I just got in a little damp, rain, and the jacket was pretty much done. I tried to take it off and cover it up, but let me tell you what. I think I saw on their site they have trucker. I said trucker. These chuckers got me chucked up. So let me tell you, man, if they do, I might have to invest in one. Suede is the way to go for me, especially where I live, because I can extend it, man. I can do various seasons with the Suede, more so, than the leather. But look, all I'm doing is just brushing this weather safe Suede. Okay, all I'm doing, I'm just brushing, just like you brush your beard. Look at that. You gotta be. Hey, man, I'm about to go. I've always wanted. They had a navy pair, but and I wear a lot of navy. I've always wanted to just see, just get it. Some people told me hey man, be careful because the colors, it looks more black than navy. I think that's why they scared me off of it. Look at that. They scared me off of it, but knowing what I know now, hey man, I might get it. Now I do have a dark olive. I'm gonna show you how I clean that one as well. But man, I'm not brushing hard either. It's just a little light brush. That's all. Like you doing your beard. Where's my other one here? Okay. And I'll come here and just hit him. I'll even go against the grain and make it darker. Look at that. I like a dark shoe anyway. Look how that changed. That's Suede anyway. It's going to do that. Now I go back that way. So whatever dirt I had in, gone. Whatever, any of that, gone. Man, you got it. Don't be afraid to get Suede from Thursday. I'm telling you. Don't be afraid. Because look at that, man. I don't see any stain or anything in there. Gone. And again, man, I had these out in snow. You still, again, with these, man, you still got to size down. I have, like I said, I wear a 13. I have a long, narrow foot. If you have the same thing, you might want to size down to full size. Half size is good, but you might want to size down to full size if you have a narrow foot. I still have plenty of room in my toe box with these. But by the way, that's a Leva G Cameroon wrapper. And that Cameroon has a nice taste to it. Smooth, sweet, nutty. But these, man, hey, don't sleep on it. Chukkas, well, they call them scouts. They're really not a true chukka, but they call it a scout. Ash, gray, Thursday, glove lining. Of course, I always keep shoe trees in them. They have the sole that molds to your foot. I really like these, and I think I'm going to get more suede. I think I'm going to go through and look at. I think I saw a wingtip suede as well. I know that would be really nice and stylish. But like I said, every Saturday I come out here and I clean my shoes. I'm very excited and happy about these. Thursday, Ash Chukkas, suede. Get a pair. Get two. I'm getting more. I don't have to worry about getting them resold because I'm going to have enough where I'm good. And I can wear these in the spring, fall, and winter. I can even wear them a date night in the summer because they're suede. I can wear these year round, man. I'm all in.